in the Women Leadership Programme, we could already brainstorm on different strategies on how we could be better leaders and we could impact the innovation ecosystem. Our main vision is to turn this real-world data accessible and analyzable for everyone in the healthcare ecosystem. I consider that these programs created and supported by the European Innovation Council really facilitate and create value in the innovation European ecosystem. Having programs like the Women Leadership Programme really helps me to get in contact with my peers and to understand the daily challenges of other female leaders like me.